Today is brilliant. Although it's sort of quite cloudy today, we've got a really good forecast that tomorrow is going to be beautiful with light southerly winds. So our plan is me and my mate Phil are going to go and get all a lightweight kit, Vol-biv kit. We're going to go into the Central Fells, camp, and if it clears we'll go up and do a little fly down. But the main thing is tomorrow. It'll be blue sky and hopefully we'll be able to walk up to Scafell or somewhere like that and fly to Phil's house is the task, which is about 50 k's to the north. The key thing about it is planning, so you look at the weather and plan everything, but also the right kit, so you're not overloaded, where to put it, all that sort of stuff. We're heading off up Grainsgill to fly, hopefully in the evening, at Great Gable with a lovely sunset. It's going to be beautiful. Cheers, mate. So that's it. We have put our tents up. So we're going to camp tonight. Sprinkling Town. We're sort of sneaking up the band here that goes up to the top of Great End. So as you come around the corner of the spur that goes, the band goes up, you can see the beautiful Wasdale Valley. Absolutely beautiful, classic valley formation. So, we've come up the band, which sort of comes up from Sprinkling Tarn up to Great End up there in the clouds. And we're just waiting for the cloud to disappear in the evening. And then we'll take off and have a lovely float down to our campsite. That's Great Gable, just coming out of the mist. Windy Gap there, the dip, Aaron Slack. And just there is Keswick. Phil is praying to the breeze gods. It's coming. I think we're just slightly in the rota, yeah. But it's light winds. And there's our tarn. So we found a little spot. It's sort of into wind. Phil has got, it's a nice V formation, so it inflates in the middle first and then out to the tips. And then he's going to run down this lovely grassy corridor and off the edge. But we've got a no-go zone, which is about there. So if everything's not perfect and he's not supported by the glider, then he ain't going, he's stopping. It's all good. Beautiful dawn as we had forecast, which is so exciting. You sort of go up in cloudy weather, but you know it's going to turn out like this. Our plan is go up there, so that's Great End. So we're going to go per Escores, take off there, soar on the other side of that mountain, and hopefully fly sort of down through the lakes to Phil's house. So we thought we'd just show you a sort of kit. I use my Osium 2, which is beautiful. It's super light, very, very comfortable. And it's got loads of compartments. So you basically take all the padding out. So sleeping bag goes in here, right at the back. And then soft things around here, because you don't want hard things if you land hard and you've got jet ball in your back. So all soft things there. So that's all underneath. And then obviously in the back, bags, the tents. I've just put things like poles and stuff to the side. There's my baby's wings, like a condors drying in the summer sun. So then you've got flying kit, a lightweight helmet, a radio, a tracker, and a simple vario, just light. I've got a nice simple ozone lightweight bag. I've got lots of layers, so you know, puffer and then windproofs and stuff like that. And then obviously you've got to have the battery chargers and things. And then it comes down to the camping aspect. I use carry mat because it's nice and cozy. You've got to have the luxury because you've got to get a good night's sleep. Jet boils are brilliant, anything similar to that. And then in little bags, each bag there's spare clothes in this one, food in this one, and obviously a little luxury, cheeky, nice little Scotch whiskey, and water. So that all gets packed in the compartments, and lightweight tent, whatever, whether you go for super lightweight like Phil or simple lightweight, just depends on what space you've got really. And every time you go on one, just think, well, what didn't I use? Do I need to take it next time? But remember, conditions change, so we might not need certain things this time, but we will next. And it's always best to hang inside, make sure once you've stowed all the kit away, it is still comfortable in your harness and everything. So I'll pack it away and then we'll be off. Come on then. It's nice, there's still sort of a breeze. Definitely take off. Clouds coming across the slope though. So we're sort of banking on the sun coming a bit higher and convection's starting to work a bit more so we can get a lift. But at the moment there's still a cloud down in the valleys there. The wind's dropped, base is lifted quite considerably, and we're aiming to take off and get under this cloud here and then get enough height to track through Escores. Just took off in that col there. I'm going to climb, so I'm just going to concentrate and see if I can get up again. That's where we camped, just down there. Now we're dead in the centre of Borrowdale, just squeaking a zero climb above that ploughed field. I'm looking at my averager. If I start going down any, I'm heading to Castle Crag and King's How. So we're just tucking in as tight as we can here. Borrowdale, most beautiful square mile in England, that little bit down there. Beautiful, you can see why, can't you? Troutdale Pinnacle, classic climbing route. see if I can just get off, and then if I can't, I'll land. So here we are, flying down Derwent towards Shepherd's Crag. If I can get up there, then I can soar again, but I doubt if I'll connect with it. Didn't quite make Phil's house, but had a beautiful flight. You know, yeah, you're practicing for the big one, but it's such stunning scenery, and every flight's worth it. Every flight is amazing. To camp, to just chill out, it's just wonderful. So yeah, I would say definitely do Vol-biv. Excitement of camping plus the sort of adventurousness of deciding where to take off and reading the weather is really stimulating. Practice, sort your kit out, get a plan, get some friends together that you enjoy being with, and go and Vol-biv. Even if it's just, you know, an evening flight along a ridge, land, and then fly back. Just start doing it, and then you just do more and more. Phil got away, which is brilliant. He's on Lee Fell now. He's heading to his home. I'm glad he's had a good day.